weird looking helicopter. Someone lives in that house. Not me or you, but someone. Hey, hey. So, it's hard getting going today. You ever have a day that's hard getting going? It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The champion would have done this run at 5 o'clock in the morning. 4 a.m. even. Now that I lost that job and I'm in California with nothing going, I gotta make another decision. Do I drive back and go wrestle at the Spatola Classic? The tournament I did last year is happening on October 2nd. Last year I trained for that tournament. It was in March 2019. And I got myself in good shape to do it. I'd say I was probably in better shape last year doing it than I am this year. And even then, I took an ass whoopings, 2 ass whoopings. I survived the second match and went the distance. So as I'm on this run / walk / hike, whatever I'm doing right now, thinking to myself, do I drive cross country, get out the car and go wrestle? I'm leaning towards it because you only live once. And if my heart would stop on the wrestling mat, still trying at 41. That'd be a good way to go. I just don't want to, get hurt in any kind of other ways, but you take a chance on any kind of contact life stuff. But all this piddly shit in my life can hurt too, in your life. I'm trying to catch my breath, so if I'm rambling, excuse me, but just decisions to be made of a life to be lived. Stay tuned. This is the view from Fryman Canyon Park, Los Angeles. 4:30 p.m. Usually packed with people. But they're gone. All gone. Somewhere, I don't know. But here, no. Pigeons scurrying for a crumb. Just like us, scurrying for a job to get ourselves some crumbs. Splish splash, I was taking a bath. This is Amelia Earhart. She was the first woman aviator to fly the Atlantic Ocean, lost at sea 1937 during an around-the-world flight. Don't send a woman to do a man's job. Another mask on the ground. This time it looks like it was one made by hand. People are tired of this nonsense. That squirrel's got a nut. That squirrel's got a nut. Got your nut, squirrel? I could go bust mine. Swine time. Squirrel's got a nut. I could go bust mine. Okay, I got a little scared there. I ain't gonna lie. A lizard. Makes sense. That's all it's out. It's a lizard.